G'day everyone, Mark Fernandez here, and as the title of the video suggests, I am learning to ride a motorbike today. So you're going to watch that, and I'm watching it with you together with the voiceover. So here we are, looking confident with the 1 foot takeoff there, and we'll have a look at it today and see what I can do better for my next time out. So here I am, I'm off. We've kind of joined about a third of the way through the session that we had. The first part of the session was just me cruising around in the grass area and on the gravel there, just trying to get used to the throttle. I found that the start of the throttle, where it engages, was a little bit off-putting, because like whenever I would just about to engage it, so after the free play, I noticed that like it kind of jerks you forward a little bit. So I was just trying to get used to that, and I'm just doing a few laps here. I had the security guys come past, and they had a little bit of a watch, so that was pretty funny. Gave us a thumbs up, and then they cruised on out of there, so that was good. So here I am coming around for my first round. Pose, yeah, nice, confident, don't fall off the bike, well done. And here I am going off again, so starting to get a little bit more confident here as I was going around the roundabout. Every time I tried to go just a little bit faster. I think it was around here that I started to lose a little bit of speed. I couldn't find second, so I pulled over, and yeah, no, I let out the clutch too quickly, then I stalled. So that was my first stall, and my only stall actually for the whole session. So here's still nothing, and I'm about to take off again, just practicing checking my mirrors and that sort of thing. Obviously wait for the bus to go past. Pretty hard to miss that. And I was struggling a little bit as well with trying to find second gear, just because I didn't, when it's described to you, it's the first gear is on the lowest, so it's low, and then the next gear up is neutral, and then the next gear up is second. So I was kind of thinking, how do I have to click it twice to go up? But it wasn't quite like that. So I was just a little bit unsure of how to find that second. So I wasn't banging through the gears as quick as I could be. And so here I am going extremely slow because the bus was in front, as you can see there. And the fumes it was making weren't pleasant. So still going here, still going really slow. And I as the session went on, because the session's about to finish, as we got towards the end, I went around a lot faster. So I still had like another 30 minutes on the bike, and that's kind of when I started to increase the pace a little bit. And you can see that I took a little bit faster than I did last time, hugging the left way too much, but that's okay. I fixed that up towards the end of the session later on. Ended up going a little bit further down as well, just to get used to the increased speed also. So that's kind of where I was at. At the moment, I have a surprise, because I did buy a bike and it will be ready during this week. So stay tuned for that. And I did buy some motorcycle gear for myself to protect me as well, because I was just using dad's stuff there, and a helmet that a guy gave me, which was really nice of him. So yeah, so I was just kind of using dad's jacket there, which was way too big. So I went out and got my own gear now, so I might do a video on that at some point. And here's me just coming around slowly and trying not to fall off, going at that speed. And yeah, it was a good session. I really enjoyed it. So my next session will be soon. And so keep an eye out for that. But I probably won't record that one. I'll probably end up just making a video on the gear and the motorcycle when I actually get it. So thanks for watching. Relatively quick video today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.